go colosh de lurfon. An Reilscal is fear in Mala líne. It's hard if a brodu las our skull.
Chonig me seán é agus se go má sa barúil chlár barúil atá ach sé ten rud na níteach cearúid an ó séteach nómat cheimiise gur srá bhíán. So Jerma se an gailge agus a Maryland. I've seen the show yesterday on Virgin 1 on The Player. And it's very funny, I thought. And but the only issue, if issue you want to call it, is it's only 15 or 16 minutes. I thought it was going to be a series. It's more of a just, well, as far as I know, it's just one show. Níl nach chlár a bháin gaiid sort gar scale, a short story. Agus sé barúil. Agus cheap me se go bhéach sead gan einstroid éach sead does a tína chéad episode na srá, better srá gaiid tína. I thought I could have easily, done 3 or 4 short episodes, 15, 60 minutes, 3 or 4, like a mini series type thing. Cheamag mas sin go má ach níor ach spáin me go déala an clip heap.
Gur ma antáilcéile a chud story nuair cheapan nach bhétain an scéal airí níos fear. Is ónméilteach tú? This is Emma, your student teacher.
Yeah, sweet. I read that email.
Tá sé tuirt níos am tunáir The Office rubag. They're kind of copying the Office, like the way they look at the camera. He managed it again, or something. It's done very well, very funny. Agus achach mór an trúa nar diontar sort srá nó fun de mach an episode bháin mar sin níos fuide mar man Jack Carrowood na mar sin. Ach pretty much play.
How did you end up in a Gael school without a word of Irish? I'd also avoid Garrody at all costs. She can smell fakers. It's a
It's my anxiety pigeon.
Sé my anxiety pigeon, hey.
Is fiú dahid faoin géad é seo. Tá sé in.
Dear muid chaid fan géad a teir in de saoir a réchaí. Sé so mar sibná le ceall an ad bag sin tá an trailer mar a deara. Tá sé barúil agus tá sé ar gealháireach agus éadrom sartach. Ar nus The Office, sart nus le an gailge atá bunaí gailscoil le. So it's so, as I was saying, it's like, it's a funny show that's like the Office, if you will, that's set in a gailscoil in Dublin. So so I'd recommend anyone watching it. Shows a little bit get a sort of brand ní nerit in gael again. It's only about 30% Irish. Ní teach beidir tíocha fan géad gaelge nó mar sin. Ach mar sin hain, tá sé go má agus sé sort curbéim tars takeach an gaelge, the supporting Irish and that, and beidir daine tá sort na ho láidir an gaelge is deischob le bhean an breanna ruting tí gaelge. Tá barúil is agus nachhfuil TG Care frisin well tá sé go má rudí gaelge ceall nachhfuil tíreach TG Care no RT. As I was saying there, it's good to see Irish language, even though it's probably only about 30% Irish spoken. At least it's good to see Irish language spoken on non-TG Care or RT even channels and Virgin. So fair play, I hope, fair play to them putting that up, and that's good. So ní mai gearbh kaint, I don't want to be talking too long to making a short story long, as I say, because it's only a garscan, ní nach garscan, ní teach Carrowood in the version, it's only about 50 minutes. Ach Vullana, I'd recommend it. So anyone who wants to watch it, tá sé éid on Player Virgin 1, or Virgin, it isn't Virgin Player, it's on the Virgin Player, anyone can access it as long as you have the internet. General find Virgin Player nus an RT Player bin number ads it being a folk kind of annoying is there's a lot of ads, when you click to watch the show, the video, there's usually been numad go le and a cha numad ads, so there's usually about 2 minutes of ads almost. Better nach hol bailach, maybe it's not quite 2 minutes, but still it's kind of annoying. Iréchi, tá sé fáil agus bhna, I'd recommend it. Sinné mar se deach fa mat sin ní lánach sart léirhas gaiirit. Ní mé gur nimmarcha rá ní mé gur in melódí rá. Lechi fa mu sinné mar se slán go fóil, that's it, bye for now, slán go fóil.